Today we will see the example of binning. So what is a binning? The smoothing a data attributes is called as binning, right? So this is a method of data cleaning. Why we need to clean the data? Because data in a real world is dirty, right? So a lot of potentially incorrect data, incorrect data is there. For example, instrument faulty data, human or computer errors, transmission errors are there. Right, data is incomplete, data is noisy, and number of errors are there, data is inconsistent, and that's why we need to clean that data, right? So to how to handle this particular noisy data, so there are methods. There is one method, is called as binning, right? The explanation is already explained in the PPTs. Here is the example. This example is already many times asked for the INSEM examination for 6 marks or NSEM examination. So this example is also asked in your 2019 paper, December 2019 paper, for the 6 marks. So the example is, these are the attribute, right? For the given attribute 16, 16, 180, 4, 12, 24, 26, 28, apply the following binning techniques for smoothing the noise. So what are the techniques? First is smooth by the means. Second technique, smooth by the medians. And third technique, smooth by the boundaries, right? So these are 3 techniques. So what is a binning? Binning is smoothing a noise or smoothing the attribute by using means, medians and boundaries. So for 6 marks, for each method 2 marks are there. So first of all, the data, see here, the data is in sort, is not in order, right? So first of all we need to sort the data, right? So after sorting, what will be the output? 4, 12, 16, 16. So here 16 comes 2 times. So no need to delete the variables, right? It is not a clustering. If it is the example of clustering, we will delete the duplicate values. But it is the example of binning, so it will retain as it is 16 values. So 4, 12, 16, 16. Then 24, 26, 28 and 180, right? So this is what the first method. If data is not in a sorted order, we have to first sort the data. Then second step, what we have to perform, partition the particular data or divide the data into equal bins. Bins is nothing but particular bucket or basket, right? Or it is nothing but grouping the element. It is called as bins, right? So for second step is partition the data into equal bins. So here they are not going to give the numbers in which we have to divide the data. Means what? Here n is not given, right? So kiti bin, how many, for how many part, into how many clusters or how many bins we have to divide the data, it is not mentioned over here, right? So we will, as per our convenience, we can divide the data into 2 bins or in a 3 bins, right? So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 elements are there. So we will divide this into 2 bins. 4 elements in the 1 bin and another 4 element in the another bin. So what will be the next step? Or what will be the output of this? Bin 1, partition the data into equal bins. So bin 1 is 4, 12, 16, 16. This is what I will write over there, so you can. Right? So bin 1 is 4, 12, 16 and 16, right? Now same way remaining items are, or remaining attributes are put into another bin. So 24, 26, 28, 180, comes in another bin, 24, 26, 28 and 180. So this is now what the input for my next step. So bin 1 is 4, 12, 16, 16. Bin 2 is 24, 26, 28 and 180. Right? So what we'll do, first of all, we just sort the data. Secondly, partition the data into equal bins. So there are 8 elements. So I will partition it into 4, 4. So 4 in a one bin, another 4 into another bin. Right? So first step was calculate or smooth the data by using the mean. So how to calculate the mean? Right? So mean is nothing but addition of these 4 numbers divided by 4. Why 4? Because I am having total 4 elements over here. So whatever mean we will calculate it, replace the elements in a bin 1 by that mean. Right? Now see, in a bin 1, total 4 plus 12 plus 16 plus 16. So 12, 4 plus 12 plus 16 plus 16 divided by 4. So what will be the output? So total 48, addition of this is 48 divided by 4 is 12. So my mean is 12. So replace all the values by this 12 in a bin 1. So what will be the bin 1 now? 12, 12, 12 and 12. Got it? Now for second bin, again we have to calculate the mean of this bin. So mean is what? 24 plus 26 plus 28 plus 180 divided by 4. So the output is 258 divided by 4, that is 64.5. Answer of this is 64.5. You can put either a 64 or 65. Right? So we will take it as a 65. So bin 2 is, output is 65, 65, 65 and 65. Got it? So what is the output of bin 2? 65. What is the output of bin 1? 12. So whatever mean is calculated, replace all the values with that mean. So this is what smoothing the attribute by using mean. Now second is median. Right? So what is the median, or how to calculate the attribute by the median? Right? Now what was our bin 1? Same input is there for each and every bin. Right? (24, 26, 28 and 180). Now median. How to calculate the median? Now see, median is addition of middlemost numbers. Middlemost two numbers का addition लेके उसका mean calculate करना है. Right? That is what the median. Now here 4 elements are there and middlemost elements are 12 and 16. Right? So what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers and take a mean of this. Right? And replace all the values of that mean. So what is the mean of this? 12 plus 16 divided by 2. So what will be the output? It is 28 divided by 2. So 14. 14 is there. Right? So replace all the values with this 14 now. So what will be the bin 1 now? 14, 14, 14 and 14. Same way for bin 2. Middlemost elements are 26 plus 22. So 26 plus 28 divided by 2. So what will be the output? Right? So 54 is there. So answer is 27. So replace all the values by the 27. So what will be the output? 27, 27, 27 and 27. So this is what the median. How we will going to calculate the median? 12 plus 16, the two middlemost elements. Suppose if I am having only 3 elements in the bin, suppose this 16 was not there, only 3 elements are there, then what will be the output? 4, 12, 16. अगर इतने ही 3 वैल्यू होते मेरे बिन में तो 12 is the output. This is the most middle element है 12. So we will replace this by the 12. So 12, 12, 12 is the answer. But here I am having two middlemost values, right? 4 है इसलिए 2 middlemost value आए. अगर 5 numbers रहते या फिर 3 numbers रहते तो middlemost एक ही value रहता है and that will be the median. Got it? So next was boundaries. Smooth by the boundaries, right? So what will be the bin 1 output? Now see, what is the boundaries first? So this is bin 1. So where a small element in the boundary is 4, so it is called as the lower boundary, and the maximum element is 16, so it is called as the upper boundary, right? So what we have to do, we have to calculate the distance of remaining elements with this small boundary and the upper boundary, right? Lower boundary and the upper boundary. It is not a small, it is a lower boundary. So we have to calculate the distance from each and every element with this lower boundary and the upper boundary. Now see, 4 and 12, the distance is 8, right? 4 and 12 distance is 8. Same way, 12 and 16 distance is 4, right? So minimum distance is 4 between these two. Means what? The 12 is nearer to this upper boundary. So replace this 12 with the upper boundary, that is 16. So lower boundary as it is, 12 will be replaced with the 16. Now the difference between this 16 and 4 is 12. But the difference between this 16 and 16 is 0. So 16 is replaced with the 16. Got it? And the upper boundary we have to write as it is. Only the remaining lower boundary and upper boundary will be as it is. Only the elements in the middle we have to check with the upper and lower boundaries. Same way for bin 2, 24 is there, is the minimum boundary, 180 is the upper boundary, right? Maximum boundary. You can call it as a minimum boundary or maximum boundary, lower boundary and the upper boundary, right? So we have to calculate the distance. So 26 and 24. So the difference between this is 2, right? But the difference between 26 and 180 is more, right? So 26 is nearer to 24. So replace this 26 with the 24. So 24, first element, that is lower boundary as it is. Replace this 26 with the 24, right? Now see here, 28 and 24. The difference between this 24 and 28 is 4, and the difference between 28 and 180 is more, right? That is 152, right? So the minimum difference is with the 24. So replace this 28 with this 24 and maximum boundary as it is 180. So this will be the output for the boundaries, right? Got it? So what we did the smoothing the data with the help of mean, median and the boundaries. Got it? So this question was asked for the 6 marks. Okay. So thank you.